Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Today we're doing a DIY. It's a budget binder. I seen this on Facebook, so I had to make one. I actually went on Etsy to look to see how much they cost, and they were like 35 to 40 bucks, and if you're going to make a budget binder, I just don't want to pay that. But people do make them and sell them if you don't want to make your own. Everything that you see here that I have, I got off Amazon, except for the vinyl that I'm putting on as the labels. So what you're going to need is an A6 binder and then the A6 cash envelopes. I got both of these off Amazon for 10 bucks each. I will put the links below for both of the products in the description box. If you guys want to know the font that I'm using, just drop a comment and I will add it on there too. I just used my Cricut machine to cut it out, and I just done it that way. I put it on there. I used an old card to kind of like flatten it out so it would stick, because I did put that sticky paper in the front and it makes it really hard to get off. I would recommend using stickers because that was so time consuming to pull all that off there without it trying to rip the lettering. And I would use stickers. You don't have to use stickers if you're just trying to make a cheap budget binder. You could just go to the Dollar Tree and get you some sticky labels and write on there. The envelopes come in a pack of 12, so you have quite a bit to work with depending on how many categories that you want to separate it into. But here is the final product. I hope you guys liked it. I really liked the binder. I thought that was so cute. It does not have water in it. I thought it might have water in it when I seen it, but just to clarify, it does not have water. It's just like shiny, sparkly things. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, and for the video that I'm going to post where I put all my bills and stuff in it.